Friends, now discuss about RH blood types. RH blood types. Already you know about the different two types of the antigens on the blood groups. Antigen A, antigen B. These are present on the plasma membrane of red blood cell. Okay, and two types of the antibodies also there. Anti-A antibodies, anti-B antibodies. These are the antibodies for the blood group present in the plasma of the individuals. Okay, student, if you observe A blood group persons, type A blood group, in these individuals, antigen A present on the plasma membrane of RBC. Okay, and if you observe plasma of that individual, anti-B antibody is present in the plasma. If you observe AB blood group person, antigen A, antigen B, two types of the antigens present in the present on the plasma membrane of RBC, and at the same time antibodies are absent. Okay, student, like this. Okay, next, and these are the antigens, presence of the antigens on the RBC. Antigen A, antigen B present on the plasma membrane of RBC. It is the phenotypic character that causes the A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and the O blood group. Okay. By receiving of the different types of the genotypes from the parent generations. Okay. Inheriting of the genes in the form of the alleles about the phenotypic character that shows by the individual is receiving from the parents to the next generation, that causes the appearance of the different types of the phenotypic characters, different types of the blood groups. Next, students, now going to discuss about the RH blood types. RH blood types. Okay, already you know about two types of the antigens about the blood group. One is antigen A and the one is antigen B. In this, Karl Landsteiner, okay, and Wiener, two scientists discovered another one of the antigen, that is RH antigen, also called RH factor. This is also present on the RBC, plasma membrane of RBC, red blood cell. Student, it is the RH antigen also present on the plasma membrane of RBC, like antigen A, antigen B. Okay, student, these are firstly discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener on RBC of rhesus monkeys firstly, another later also discovered in human beings. Okay, additionally one of the antigen is also present on the plasma membrane of RBC, that is RH antigen, also called RH factor. Okay, RH factor, that is also called D antigen. Okay, that are about the blood group antigens, that are antigen A, antigen B. This is the RH factor, is also called D antigen. Okay, student, you can identify. Next, person with D antigen. Which are the person? All of the person does not shows the RH antigen on the RBC. Some amount of the persons having RH antigen. Which are the persons with D antigen on plasma membrane of RBC, called RHD positive or RH positive. Which are the persons having D antigen? That are individuals are called RHD plus, RHD positive. Okay, and Rh also called Rh positive. Without the D antigen, Rh factor is absent on the plasma membrane of RBC in some individuals. That are the persons are called RhD negative or Rh negative. Rh negative. Okay, students, and Rh negative person, this is the D antigen is absent in that persons. Rh negative person receives Rh positive blood cells at the time of the donation. Rh negative person receives Rh positive blood cells, Rh positive blood cells from the another one of the individual. Okay, first time anti-D antibodies are produces. Okay, immune system identify that entry of the Rh positive blood cells by showing of the Rhd antigen. Student, D antigen is present on the plasma membrane of RBC, that is the antigen. Okay, that is the new antigen enters into the body of the Rh negative person. Immune system this identified and produces certain type of the specific type of the antibodies. These are called anti-D antibodies. Anti-D antibodies. Okay, student. These are the anti-D antibodies are normally absent in the plasma of individual. Okay, only these are produces at this time only. Okay, next Rh positive person receives Rh negative blood cells. Rh positive person, it is the person is with Rh positive having Rh antigen. Okay, receives Rh negative blood cells. Rh negative means this is the antigen is absent. Antigen is absent because there is no problem because of absence of the antigens. Okay, without any complications are there. Okay, student, it is about the Rh factor. Next, what about the genetic control of the Rh factor? Okay, students, in this, which one is the reason for the presence of this phenotype in the individuals? Which are the genes, which are the alleles are responsible for the showing of the phenotypic character, that is D antigen, Rh antigen, Rh factor. Okay, student, it is given by one of the hypotheses about the genetic control for Rh antigen, that is Fisher-Ray's hypothesis. Fisher-Ray's are two scientists give one of the hypotheses about the Rh factor, genetic control of Rh factor, that is Fisher-Ray's hypothesis, also called CDE nomenclature. What about the CDE? CDE nomenclature, it is also called. Student, in this, according to this hypothesis, allele for Rh factor, student, presence of the D antigen, presence of Rh antigen, okay, that is the one of the phenotype is caused by the presence of the gene and their alleles. Okay, student, alleles for Rh factor, student, occur in form of the three pair. These are the alleles are available in three pair, in form of three pair at three different loci on chromosome pair 1. Student, if you observe chromosome complement of the one individual, one of the person, total 46 chromosomes are there, that means 23 pairs. In this 23 pairs, first pair, if you observe first pair of the chromosomes, first pair of the chromosomes, these are homologous chromosomes, one pair, first pair chromosomes, having loci. In that loci, three pair of the alleles are present. Three pairs of alleles are present. Three pair at a different loci on chromosome pair 1. Student. Okay, Rh factor by three pair of Rh alleles. Rh factor, presence of the Rh factor, showing of the phenotypic character like Rh antigen, Rh factor by the three pair of Rh alleles. Three pairs of Rh alleles. Students, and another three pairs of Rh alleles. Which are the three pairs of Rh alleles? Three pairs of Rh alleles belongs from the information on the one pair chromosomes. Okay, these are capital C small c, capital D small d, capital E small e. These are three pairs of alleles present on the different loci, three different loci on chromosome pair 1. It is the one chromosome, it is the another one of the chromosome. One pair chromosomes, first pair of the chromosomes these are. And this indicates the different loci. It is the one of the loci, another one of the loci. Three different locis. Okay, student, these are three different loci. Okay, on first pair chromosome. Student, capital C is the allele, small c is the allele, and capital D or small d, capital E small e. Okay, in these two, capital C, small c, in these two only one allele is present. Okay, in this capital D, small d, it is the one of the chromosome, first chromosome. These three are different loci on the chromosome which consist the allele, capital C or small c, capital D or small d, capital E or small e. And it is also same. Student, these are the alleles, any one of the allele in these two, any one is present, and capital D, small d, any one is present, capital E or small e, any one is present. Okay, homologous chromosome pair 1. Okay, student, it is the one pair chromosome, first pair chromosome, showing three different loci with alleles per locus. Okay, student, each one of the loci that consists two alleles. In this only one is present. Student, genotypes, one capital C or small c, same students, same. Okay, one C or small c, one capital D or small d, one capital E or small e. This is shows by single chromosome. It is the single chromosome, it one is the another single chromosome. Next, genotypes. Which type of the genotypes that are enters into the next generation? Okay, which one of the genotype, which one is the allele that entered into the next generation that causes the presence of the genotype? Okay, like if you observe, these are the genotypes like a capital, all are capital letters, C, D, E, all are small letters. Students, these type of the genotypes. This CDE is received by one chromosome. This is the CDE received by another one of the chromosome in children's. Next, students, if you observe, one capital C, one capital E, small d is received, and small c and capital D, small e. Like this amount is also received. Anyone is in these two, anyone is received by the individual. In these two, one of the chromosome is received by the individual. This is the genotype is received by the individual. This is the genotype is received by the individual from the parents. This total amount of the genotype is received by the parents. Received by the parents. Student, if you observe in these genotypes, which is the genotype that causes the presence of the Rh factor in the individuals? Which type of the genotype that is received by the parents to the next generation that causes the presence or absence of the Rh factor? Student, in this genotype is with the dominant D allele, that means, student, if you observe dominant D allele, any one of the dominant D allele, student, it is the capital D, it is the capital D. Capital D is receives by the children ones, receives by the progeny from the parents, that causes the production of the Rh positive phenotype, that causes for the appearance of the Rh antigen, Rh factor. Any one of the dominant D, capital D, that is received by the individual from the parents, that is inherited from the parents to the next generation, that is the individual, that is the generation, that is the individual that shows the Rh antigen. Okay. Next, genotype is with double recessive genotype, double recessive DD. Student, from the parents, child receives double recessive D allele. Student, it is the small d, it is the small d. It is came from the one of the parent, mother parent, it is came from the father. Okay. Because of presence of like these genotypes, small d is present. This is equal to recessive double allele, double D allele. Recessive double recessive D allele, DD. Student, one of the small d, one of the small d receives by the individual, receives by the child from the parent. Okay, that is the causes for the production of the Rh negative phenotype.